class is going to begin. My name is Miss B, and welcome to our PPE lesson for the welding shop. Today we're going to talk about the importance of the OSA Health and Occupation Health and Safety Act. There was some changes that recently happened in June of 2018, and this is one of the hierarchy of controls. So with this, the top of the increasing effectiveness is elimination, which is exposure before it even happens. So you want to like change like the machinery and stuff like that, or like just change it to so that no one gets hurt, right? So you can close out a machine and all that. So also for this, this is the engineering controls. It requires a physical change to the workplace. So you can like put gates around like a perimeter so that no one comes walking by and falls through a hole or whatever. Okay, the next one is administrative or work controls. It requires a worker or employer to do something. So either administrative, like, you know, put up signs and stuff so that no one gets hurt. And the last one is the last source of is PPE. It requires a worker to wear something. So I have a few items here that are required for the PPE. And also like, that's the last line of defense. And I was gonna like, let's see, talk about that. And the biggest thing with that is that OSHA wants is that to make sure that you have the proper training to wear your equipment, your PPE, and also so that they fit properly. So you don't want to be wearing like large gloves because like, you know, it won't, you know, they could get tangled into the machine or whatever. And also you want to make sure that your glasses are going to fit properly. So you want to be able to make sure that they fit over your face and cover yourself. So what we're going to do today is we're going to like do these body parts. This is a worksheet that I want you to fill out in groups of 2 or 3. I guess 3. I have 3 here. So there's a pen in here as well. So I don't know, break on sit. So we'll fill that out, and then it just says on there like what body part do you think is to be protected. So that is what body part, and then like, you know, what PPE that is required, and also the reason why you would need that PPE to prevent, like, you know, an accident. So I'll give you guys like a minute.
So the last line of defense would be to wear your PPE. For in a welding environment, you would need PPE for your head, for your body, for your feet, for your arms, your hands, your lungs as well. And also you should wear coveralls to cover your legs to make sure that they're fire retardant material so that you don't, you know, burn your skin. You want to wear a beanie when you're wearing a PPE, and also to protect your hair from catching on fire, your scalp. And you also want to protect your eyes with safety glasses, and also wearing hearing protection depending on the amount of the loudness, which is in decibels, which is greater than 85 decibels. You're required to wear earplugs, and in very louder environments you should wear earmuffs on top of the earplugs themselves. So when you're welding, you also need to wear when you're grinding, you can wear a shield. And so when you're welding, you will need a depending on the process, you can set your welding mask to the specified lens number, which normally when you're welding it'll be number 10, and when you're cutting it usually be around 7. You want to be able to wear rubber-soled safety footwear, CSA approved, so that you don't get punctured on the bottom, and also to prevent any electrical hazard, electrocution.
This song is sung to the melody of Head and Shoulders, Knees and Toes. So we will do this song for the PPE lesson. In closing, head and body, hands and feet, hands and feet, hands and feet, head and body, hands and feet, eyes, ears, lungs, and legs.